And the debaters, let me know when you're ready. Go.
Body cameras will definitely help our community. They reduce police complaints, make police behavior better, as well as make people feel safe and secure. In conclusion, this is why body cameras should be worn. Thank you.
Most kids want a voice. They want what they are saying to be heard. And debate provides a space where students can speak and no one else can speak. I think that that sense of personal power really does give confidence. It gives a sense of ownership of one's intellect. And that happens whether someone wins or not.
So first in your framing, you said that it makes the community safer, is that correct?
Yes.
The debate program at Science Park was started over 35 years ago by math teacher Brent Ferrand. At the time, some were skeptical that the inner city school in Newark would be able to compete at a high level.
When he first founded the team, he was told that we didn't want to debate kids from the suburbs because they didn't want us to get our feelings hurt. He was told that by an administrative superior. He laughed and he said that our kids' feelings aren't the ones you have to worry about.
Today, Science Park's debate program is highly respected both in New Jersey and on the national stage.
We go against some of the richest public and private schools in the country, and we have success. At one point, we had a streak of 20 straight state championships. We even had kids who were on the USA World Team. Sometimes someone can speak well, but still lose a debate.
Debate is not just about what you say, it is how you say it. So we call Mr. Austin the rhetoric man. He knows how to take an argument and create the rhetoric to persuade someone. So he's taught me how to be able to persuade someone. He's taught me how to conduct myself, how my arms should be moving. Every little intricacy that is found within the activity of debate, Austin knows about it.
Well, I was actually a debater at Science High School. I debated all throughout high school for 4 years. What every debater always says is that debate is their most important educational experience. I feel the same way. So it was an honor to come back and coach and teach at the school where I learned how to debate. You have to link your arguments back to the framing. You have to tell me why your arguments are important. That's going to be how you persuade people that you won.
The success of Science Park's debaters in the upper grades sparked a new initiative that made learning debate part of the required curriculum beginning in the 7th grade.
They'd been following the progress of debaters over the years, and it was clear to them. Debaters did better in our International Baccalaureate classes, in our AP classes. And they saw that the reason why there was more success was because the skill set that's used in debate is the same skill set that's used for any type of advanced academic work in the humanities. So they were like, why not teach all of our 7th graders this skill?
Can you explain how you said that the footage will be released?
Some people might ask for the footage to be released and actually see what happened. But
what I teach to the 7th graders is the same thing I teach to the 9th graders. I will hold their hands more in the 7th grade, but the skills are the same.
You have to talk about your framing. Your framing is the key to your whole debate. Claim is what your argument is about. Your warrant is to back up your claim, like evidence that you get from a text or an article. And your impact is why this argument is important.
In the article USF,
we're training kids to make arguments, to be able to understand argumentation, to be able to understand intense text above your grade level. The thing that's really interesting is whether it be the AP exam or whether it be things that you're doing in IB or whether things that you're even doing on a lot of the PARCC tests and what they attempt to do, they expect kids to have the skills of a debater, but they never tell you that that's what they want. These are high-level skills.
Gaining high-level skills through the academic play of debate is something Alston and others at Science Park are confident will have a dramatic impact on learning.
Being able to learn debate allows them to view the world in a whole new way, not just in terms of the ideas that they get to receive, but also in terms of how they interact with each other.
I think more kids are going to be on the debate team too, but then also I think that we're going to have a developing class that is smarter and that is like more progressive than before, because people are actually going to be thinkers. They're going to learn about like the world and how to view it better.
The people might not feel threatened because of the cameras, but they might.
Everything that we've been talking about in terms of education reform, debaters have been doing for years. So instead of like reinventing the wheel, creating these new tests, forcing kids to sit through hours and hours of test prep, spending money on tutoring for more test prep, making kids bubble day in, day out. Instead of doing that, hire more debate coaches, get kids to play in debate, And I think that you'll have all of the results that you want to have.
Who would you have voted for and why?